The escape triggered an extensive nationwide manhunt. Merseyside Police, in collaboration with national agencies, launched Operation Brink, a dedicated task force aimed at recapturing Walmsley. Recognizing the potential for public assistance, authorities offered a £20,000 for information leading to Walmsley's capture. Despite these efforts, Walmsley managed to evade capture, with sightings reported across the UK and even abroad. Walmsley's ability to remain at large for 18 months was attributed to support from criminal associates. The underworld's code of silence and loyalty provided him with resources and safe havens. Periodic raids on known associates yielded little information. On August 21st, 2018, acting on intelligence, armed officers from Merseyside Police and West Yorkshire Police stormed a residence in the Hare Hills area of Leeds.
Police, show your hand! Back off!
Walmsley was eventually located in a nearby vehicle, and after a brief confrontation where he was repeatedly tasered, he was apprehended. Upon his arrest, he reportedly remarked, "Good job, boys." Following his recapture, Walmsley faced additional charges for his escape. In October 2018, he pleaded guilty to escaping lawful custody and was sentenced to an additional 8 years, to be served consecutively to his life sentence. In the unforgiving streets of Liverpool, where loyalty is currency and betrayal demands blood, the saga of Anthony Duffy lives on. He dared to challenge the hierarchy. His ambition led him into the lion's den, a move that would seal his fate. Sean Walmsley, Christopher Kenny, and their enforcer, Kirk Mello, saw their empire dismantled. Yet, within the prison walls and in certain circles, they remain legends. Walmsley's audacious escape and subsequent recapture only added to his notoriety, cementing his status in UK gangland culture. On the streets, the power vacuum left by their downfall sparked a brutal scramble for dominance. New players emerged, eager to claim territory and respect, while old alliances fractured under the weight of ambition and greed. The cycle of violence continues to this day. In the end, the streets remember their own. Anthony Duffy's story is etched into the city's fabric, a stark narrative of loyalty and betrayal. In Liverpool's underworld, the game is eternal, and the players, no matter how formidable, are ultimately expendable. For more raw and real crime stories, hit the like button and subscribe. Until the next episode, stay alert and stay safe.
Y'all know to go check out more of his content if y'all enjoy that type of content. Shouts out to the homie over there doing them things. I appreciate that.
Wow, that's Snoop Dogg, the Godfather. I hit that blunt, I'm going to see the father. Damn, Earth was cool. Oh, this gas, 93 octane. God, take me now. Hey, cool it. He got another one sparked already. He being unreasonable. This beyond me. If you think I'm finna hit that blunt again, heavens no, I'm high, bucko. I'm puzzled. I'm finna give it right back to him and tell him I hit it 10 times already. I'm finna call 911 and report an attempted murder. He keep passing me blunts. He think we in a relay race. What a bummer. I'm finna put this out, and if he asks why, I'ma tell him I'm allergic to marijuana. Weed for me stand for with each exhale, I'm about to die. He gotta knock it off. I done already took 2 blunts. He done sparked a third one. Smoke monster. I'm finna play sleep. I'm comatose. Big fella, you took that blunt to the head. Now you finna be in the nearest hospital bed. This ain't the move. I'm finna scoot. He a different.
What if cannabis never existed?